Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Our top three swing trading ideas for this week gonna be USD CAD, GBP NGD, and GBP USD. So these are the three pairs that we're gonna be analyzing, and also giving some entries possibilities for swing trading for this week or the coming week after this week. So the first pair that we're gonna analyze is gonna be USD CAD, and as you can see, I marked my monthly upper resistance and lower support. As you can see, it's like ranging, and we are currently on this range. So we made contact with the upper zone here, and I think that we might make contact with the lower zone before maybe we breaking either way to make contact with either the lower band or the upper band. So on the monthly time frame, that's what we can see. Now we're gonna move on to the weekly to see where we can further go down into our analysis and also see where we can take entries. And on the weekly time frame, I have this ranging levels that I mark, the upper zone and the lower zone. As you can see, we are making we have a bullish a bearish engulfing candle right now of to the downside, and I think that we are likely going to see it sell through this level. So what we are looking here for USD car is going to be short, and hopefully our first target gonna be this level here, and the last target gonna be this level. But before we have a really clear view on where to take our entries, we're gonna go into the daily time frame to further see what price is doing on this daily time frame. And when we go to the daily time frame right now, you can see I have the level mark. This is resistance level, and we broke, but we failed to support and go higher. So we broke through the uh, previous resistance that turned support, and now we are under it. So what we can see is we may look for a retest to this level, which can give us the selling opportunity to take price to the downside. And now we're going to move to the 4-hour time frame to see where we can pick our entries for short on USD CAD. On the 4-hour time frame, these are the level that I have. And if you look at here, we have a 4-hour fair value gap, or this area, and we have the 50 EMA pointing down. So this is kind of ranging, and if we have like a push to this fair value gap, we can have a selling opportunities to take price to the downside. So what I'm looking for this pair is something like this to take sales. So something like this, and we have my short position here with my stop loss just above, and my last target gonna be here. But the first target can be this level. But before you take the entry, make sure you have like a confirmation candle, pin bar, or a bearish engulfing candle before you can take a sell position. So that's what I'm looking at for USD car for this week, or maybe next week, but I will be watching it. I will be keeping it in my watch list. The next pair is going to be GBP gbpnzd here. And gbpnzd, I think we are currently on the uptrend. As you can see, this is an uptrend, and we have the support here, that's supportive price, and we create a higher low, or higher high, higher low here, and we create another higher high. And what we are looking for is another higher low to take entries to the to the upside. So on the monthly time frame, we can see that gbpnzd is on the uptrend, and we're gonna go into the weekly time frame to see how price is doing. On the weekly time frame, I have this previous resistance that's turned into support, and as you can see, we have broken through this previously, and we supported it, created highs and lows, and now we are at this resistance which is selling, and I think that this area might present a buying opportunity to take price to the upside. Now let's move on to the daily time frame to take a further look into what price is doing. When we go to the daily time frame, you can see we have this buying to the upside and then this selling. And what we are looking for is maybe a more push to the downside to make contact with this daily fair value gap right here before we can take longs to the upside. But before we look at where we can take long, we're gonna go into the 4-hour time frame where we can have a clear view of what price is doing. And on the 4-hour time frame, what you are looking here is maybe a start of this weekend. This is like a break of structure, but I believe that if price do like this, if we have this price action like this, we can take long entries here with stop loss here, but it might be kind of risky. So a better entry, I believe, if we are able to break this resistance support and we support it, we can take longs to the upside. So what I'm looking for this pair, I might take some small entries here, like a long here, might take some longs here, and also if price is able to break and support this, I might add to my position and take price to the upside. So that's my take on gbpnzd. And right now we're gonna go into the last pair, which is gbpusd right here. We have gbpusd right here, and when you look at price right now, I think we are in the uptrend because we had these lows that were taken out and we created this, and then we are starting to create higher highs and higher lows. So for me, I'm looking for gbpusd to the upside for swing trading opportunities. So let's go into the weekly time frame, and when we go into the weekly time frame, you can see that we have this weekly fair value gap that price is reacted first and reacted second. So this might be indicating us that price is ready to move to the upside. So we have this bullish two candles, and this like a corrective way, and maybe we are setting up for push to the upside. So now let's move to the daily time frame to take a look at what price is doing. And on the daily time frame, you can see that here is a resistance and turned into support after we broke, but price broke it again. So what we are expecting here is maybe a push, break this here and support, and now we can take entries. But if you are kind of risky trader, I think a push to the downside a little bit can present a buying opportunity, but a safe place to take long might be this area after we break it. So now let's take you guys into the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, and you can see how price action is looking right here. We have this support broken, turned into resistance, we sold, and now we broke through it. So if price comes back into this level, we have also the 4-hour fair value gap. To fill a little bit the fair value gap, I think we can take longs around this area and target the highs that it previously created. So what I'm looking for GBP USD is something like this for my first entry, and then if we push up and we support here, I might take another entry. So we have the first entry here, longs, with and we can have the first TP our TP here and the next entry here with our stop loss like around here, and we can target the previous highs or take partials once that price start moving into our direction. So these are the three trades that I will be looking for swing trading this week. And I think that you guys should keep it into your watch list, and it might present some selling or buying opportunities in this way. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great weekend and a great trading week. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.